Most areas cleared out to crystal clear skies today. A few areas saw a few clouds linger, but overall mostly sunny across the county. Even La Jolla right now, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Then you head out to El Cajon, not a cloud in the sky in our sky cam. Temperatures are sitting in the 60s for a lot of areas, even some inland neighborhoods. Poway at 69 right now, 68 in Vista, but a lot of 70s, mid 70s in Fallbrook, Ramona 72 in El Cajon, 60s and 70s in the mountains and 80s in the deserts. So the marine layer is going to get enhanced tonight due to a storm passing by to the north of us. So thicker clouds in the overnight hours. Tonight will be a little bit warmer, would not say warm, less cold than last night. A little bit more mild with temperatures generally in the low 60s. That's about as cool as we're going to get for a lot of coastal areas. But by tomorrow morning, a few spots will dip down into the upper 50s. Inland neighborhoods, we will drop down to the mid to low 50s by 11 o'clock tonight. It's going to be cool, but not, again, as chilly as last night because those clouds are going to be coming in earlier, and they could produce a little bit of mist, some patchy drizzle. Also, the possibility of fog. So this is our 10 News Futurecast early tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Areas along our coast possible, more likely for the inland neighborhoods. So tomorrow morning, we're talking about areas like Fallbrook out towards Escondido, Poway, maybe even in some dense fog out into the Ramona area if that marine layer is able to push that far inland. Even areas of the South Bay dealing with that fog. Temperatures tomorrow a little bit cooler than today, mid to upper 60s along our coast, 70s for the inland neighborhoods, mid 60s in the mountains, 69 in Oceanside, 67 in Julian, 77 in Poway, 87 in Borrego Springs, 77 also in Santee and Lemon Grove right around 71, 76 also in La Jolla and in Impero Beach for our Wednesday. So there's the storm system. There's a lot of moisture with it. It's just really going to be targeting the northwest, not so much Southern California. For us here locally, it's going to enhance our marine layer. So our 10 News high-resolution futurecast showing those clouds really thickening up tonight into tomorrow morning. Now, most of that moisture does stay offshore, but anything from mist to a few patchy drizzles, that's about it. I'm really not expecting any really measurable rain, maybe 100th to 300ths of an inch. We did see a little bit of rain again overnight and this morning. Most accumulations were 100th of an inch. That's about it. And we'll also notice some gusty winds target our mountains and deserts tomorrow afternoon. Westerly winds anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour. So not super windy, but breezy. I'm going to talk more about the king tides in our next half hour. I'm going to be tracking those using 10 News Futurecast, so stick around for that. Temperatures will be in the 70s for all coastal areas starting on Friday, besides the coolest spots like La Jolla, Mission Beach, Del Mar. Inland neighborhoods, we're warming into the 80s this weekend with weak offshore winds developing. And then by midweek next week, we may be talking about a more significant storm system. In the mountains and the deserts, it will be breezy tomorrow and Thursday afternoon, though again, peak winds may be up to 30 miles per hour. And the deserts, we're staying in the 80s into next week.